Hello, my amazing people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depend wherever you are watching me from. This is Lady Precious One of Paris. If not just the first time that you are just post, you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel. What are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell, baka, so that anytime, whenever I upload any video, you'll be the first person that will be notified. All my old subscribers, thank you. May God bless you. Today, my amazing people, so I'm cooking beans with fried plantain. So guys, if you guys want to know how I cook this yummy delicious beans, so stay tuned guys, and let's cook it together. Let's go guys. So guys, this is beans. I have onion, scotch bonnet pepper, red oil, Maggi cube, salt, and ripe plantain. So guys, these are the recipe of beans and fried plantain. So this is it. Let's go there guys. So although I've already put water in the fire, so I've washed the beans, I'm going to put it in the fire right away. So guys, this is it. I've washed the beans thoroughly, so I'm just putting the beans inside the pot right now. So guys, this is it. I'm just covering the pot to parboil it. So this is onion. I'm just chopping the onions into the plastic rubber, so I will blend it with scotch bonnet pepper guys. So this is it. So guys, this is it. I'm just starting blending the onion and the scotch bonnet pepper guys. Yes. So I'm through with the pepper, the scotch bonnet pepper and onion. Yes, this is it. So guys, I have to throw the water away. I want to parboil it. I've just parboil it right now, just 10 minutes parboil, you understand. So I have to change the water to remove the chemical that they use to preserve the beans. So you have to parboil it 10 minutes, then you change the water. Then so guys, let me just change the water, okay? So stay tuned guys. So guys, this is it. Beans. So I've already washed it. I've put new water on it. So guys, this is it. I have to leave it the beans till the beads get done. Okay, so guys, this is the plantain. So I have to cut the plantain, although I've already washed it. See it, I've already washed the ripe plantain. So that's it. So you can see, you can cut it like this. You can cut it like this. Then another method, you can still cut it in the other way. Let me show you guys. You can still cut it like this. It's two ways. You can cut it like this. So any way you like it, so you can cut it this way. Okay guys, so guys, I'm going to fry the plantain right now. So I got to put oil. So guys, I'm going to add salt. This is salt. Okay. So guys, I have to put salt into the plantain. So they stay together. So this is it. So I have to fry it now. So guys, you don't have to be turning it up and down, because if you be turning it, if you are turning it up and down, then it will soak oil, you understand. It will give you that nice I don't know how to explain. So you don't have to turn it so that it will soak oil. Okay guys, so stay tuned. So guys, this is the beef. So I have to seasoning it right away. So this is Maggi cube. Although I used to fry it, I used to fry the sauce. So it's two way, it's two method. There is two method that they used to cook beans. You get me? This is the onion and the scotch bonnet pepper. So I've already blended it. This is it. So it's two way anyway. It's two method that they used to cook the beans. So this is it. So I have to put the red oil. This is the red oil. So I have to stir everything together. Although I don't like too much oil, so I have to put a little bit. I don't like too much oil, so it's okay like this, guys. This is it. Yeah. It's almost done, okay, guys? So, guys, this is it. So guys, this is it. The food is ready. So yummy. This is it. Wow. So guys, let me come and serve the food. So guys, the food is ready. So yummy. So what did you think about it, about this yummy food? So drop your comment down below, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, smash that notification bell and thumbs up for the host. Thank you, guys. May God Almighty bless you all. Thank you. Bye. See you on my next video. Bye bye.